Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the wallpaper in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do that, click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and click on Settings on the top right hand corner. So after you do so, what you need to do is scroll a little bit down and find Chats. And right under Chat, you can find the chat wallpaper. So go ahead and tap on chat wallpaper and you can see that there are a lot of wallpapers available. There are some cute, aesthetic, artsy wallpapers available, and you can select any one of these. So after you select any one of these, you can see that they will be available and you can view the wallpapers by scrolling left or right as well. So you can swipe right or left and automatically the wallpaper will be changed. Go ahead and tap on apply to save it. And there you go, you have just changed your wallpaper. If you want to change the wallpaper according to the colors, you can tap on color and you can see different colors. And you can also choose from your photos on your gallery. Go ahead and tap on your photos and you can select the photo which you want to keep as a wallpaper. Go ahead and select it, click next, click done. And then you can see the apply option. Go ahead and tap on apply and there you go. You have just changed your wallpaper. I hope this video about how you can change your wallpaper in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.